Now in the B part, first part of it, they are saying define placenta. So you would write that's a temporary organ. So what we can mention for placenta is that it's a temporary organ which connects fetus with the mother body, और कह सकते हो fetus to the uterine wall, ताकि उसको nutrients मिल सके, oxygen मिल सके, and it can also remove the waste product from the fetus. ठीक है? So you can say this would be a temporary type of organ. It would be connecting, that connects the fetus of the human being to the uterine wall. And then they are asking you about the structure. Structure may you can mention that it would be a disc-shaped structure embedded in the uterine wall. So here you can write that it is a disc-shaped. One of the basic factor is that it is a disc-shaped. Okay? And it is formed by the villi from the embryo and the uterine tissue of the mother. So it has some finger-like projections over it. उससे क्या होता है, absorption अच्छा हो जाता है. So they would be having finger-like projection that provides a large surface area for the exchange of substances. Yes, it would be done between the mother's blood and the embryo's blood. And then they are asking you about the role. So it would be providing nutrition and respiration. It would be providing excretion, की मतलब remove करता है waste products को. ठीक है? So one of the role is that it would be transporting nutrients and oxygen as well. Whereas excretion is there. Excretion क्या होता है? It would be removing the waste products such as carbon dioxide and urea to the embryo's blood. ठीक है? So this is what you can write in the first part. अब second part में they are asking us to write the categories of contraceptives. So here you can write as barrier method like condom. From this what happens is that it would be physically preventing sperm from reaching the egg. Second method we have is hormonal method. Hormonal method क्या होता है? That the person can take birth control pills. That would be preventing the ovulation and thicken of the cervical mucus. And then we have the third category, that's a surgical method. Surgical method से क्या होता है? That permanent method होता है ये. Like it can be done in females, it can be done in males. Vasectomy बोलते हैं, tubectomy बोलते हैं. So they would cut off the tubes inside the body, and now you would be able to there won't be any contact between the eggs and the sperms then with the help of the surgical method. Any one of can go with the surgical method, like male can go with the surgical method or female can go with the surgical method. So it's up to them, like which person is willing to go for that method. Okay, so that's how you need to write one. And if you are like preparing for class 10th exam, board exam, so you can buy this one book. Educart का one shot book है. इसमें फिर numericals, question and answers आपको सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. NCERT example is there, previous year is there, competency based is there, push yourself is there. So these things are already there in the book, so you can go with it और ज़रूर खरीदो और बोर्ड के लिए प्रैक्टिस करो.